All right, in this podcast, we're going to talk about cathodes and anodes as they relate to galvanic cells. All right, just a reminder of what we were looking at. We have a copper-zinc system, or galvanic cell here. Copper is being reduced. So we have copper 2+, plus 2 electrons is making copper solid. So we're collecting extra copper solid over here as it comes out of the solution. And then zinc is being oxidized. So zinc is giving away 2 electrons. So the electrons are traveling this way. All right, down here. Okay. All right, and then we have zinc 2+ that are coming off here into solution in addition to the ones that were already there. And then the copper 2+ that were in this solution, they are being removed and put onto that electrode. All right, so cathodes and anodes are what we label these different parts of the cell where oxidation and reduction occurs. So anode is the electrode where the oxidation occurs, and cathode is the electrode where the reduction occurs. So a way to help you remember this would be red cat. So reduction is at the cathode. And then obviously by default, oxidation would have to be at the anode. Okay, so in our cell here, reduction is happening over here on the copper side. So remember red cat. So reduction is at the cathode. So this is definitely the cathode, which makes the zinc where the oxidation is occurring the anode. Okay, so cathode, reduction, anode, oxidation. All right, so molecularly, I just want you guys to understand that reduction, where the electrons are being transported to that electrode, and then therefore it's pulling the coppers out of solution. Understand that the copper electrode or the cathode is getting much bigger, and the anode, which is the zincs, are giving away electrons. So all of these are dissolving in solution as Zn2+ as they lose their electrons. Okay, so back to our little picture of our cathode and our anode. So this over here, our cathode, the electrode is getting bigger and bigger and bigger. And over here, our little zinc electrode is getting smaller and smaller and smaller. Okay, please understand that between this picture and the slide before this, the previous picture, that the location of the copper and zinc electrodes are actually flipped. So don't let that confuse you.